First of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Excel 3G expenses. Before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment, do this complete course or do the other courses of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business, Math, Finance, Writing, Technical Writing or any academic courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. So I will help you out and I will solve this assignment or this complete course for you at a reasonable price. First of all, it is saying let's look at the project description. In project description, it is saying in the following project you will edit a worksheet that will be used to summarize the operational cost for a public works department. So this is our project description. This assignment is consist of 19 points, and here this is the exercise file. As you can see, student last name is at the start of this assignment. So here I am going to solve some part of this assignment for you. If you want me to solve rest of this assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. So first of all, it is saying in the first step, it is saying open the Excel workbook, as I have already opened it. Next, we will move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying in the expenses worksheet, calculate the row total for each expenses item in the range F5 to F9. Calculate the column total for each quarter and for annual total for the range B10 to F10. Be sure that F9 to F are formatted with comma styles with zero decimal places. So here first of all we have to calculate this total. For there we will click on cell B10 and then next we will click here on sum. As we will click on sum, press enter, so this sum will be displayed. Next we will just copy this formula and move down to E10. Next we will go to annual worksheet and here we will select similarly auto sum here on the home tab in the editing, and here is the sum. We will press enter. This has calculated the total. We will just drag this formula till the bottom, and next similarly for here we will click, press enter. So this is done now. The totals have been calculated. What it is saying that be sure that F5, F6 to F9. So this is F6 to F9. This should be displayed as comma style. This is comma style. For here we will go to home tab in number format. Here is the comma style, and from here we will select number format and we will decrease it decimal places to 0 decimal places. As you can see that from F6 to F9 has been displayed as comma style with 0 decimal places. So I have completed step number 2 for you. The step number 2 is worth of 5 marks. Next we will move to step number 3. But before starting step number 3, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In step number 3, it is saying in the cell G5, construct a formula to calculate the percentage of total by dividing the annual total for the salaries and benefits by the annual totals for all quarter. Use absolute cell references, format the result in percent style, then center it and then fill the formula down to cell G9. So here we will click on cell G5. Here we will press equal sign F5 and then divided by F10, and we will press F4 key to make it absolute references. Next we will just copy the formula downwards till G9, and next we will make it percent style. For this we will go to home tab and here is the percent cell style. So this is percent cell styles, and next it is saying and then center. So here we will click center. So these are center now. Next it is saying fill the formula to G9, as I have already done it, or you can just make it uh, uh, percent cell styles, and then just drag it, so this will be copied till the end. So we have completed step number 3. The step number 3 is worth of 9 marks. Next we will move to step number 4, but before starting step number 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you at a reasonable price. It is saying use 3D pie chart, the annual total for each item, move the chart to a new sheet and then name it to annual expenses chart. So for this we will select from A5 to A9. This has been selected, and then we will press Ctrl key and select from F5 to F9. So these are selected, and it is saying 3D pie chart. So here we will go to insert, and here is the pie chart, and here we will select 3D pie chart. So 3D pie chart has been inserted, and next it is saying move to new sheet annual expenses chart. So here in the chart design we will select move new sheet, and here you can either type it manually, and here I am just going to copy it, Ctrl C, and here I am going to paste it and press enter. So this has been placed on a new worksheet. So I have completed step number 4 for you. The step number 4 is worth of 7 marks. Next we will move to step number 5, but before starting step number 5, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next, in step number 5, it is saying as the text for the chart title element, type summary of annual expenses and then change font size to 28. So here is the chart title, we will select it, and here I am just going to, either you can manually type it here for easiness, and to do quick I am just going to home tab, and here I will select copy, and here I will select chart title, select this on home tab, paste, and here I will select keep text only. So this is done now. Next I will select outside border, and it font, it is saying it should be 28, so here I will select 28. So I have completed step number 5 for you. Next is step number 6, but before starting step number 6, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying in step number 6, remove the legend from the chart and add data label formatted so that only category name and percentage displayed position in the center. Format the data labels by applying a font style of bold and italic and a font size of 12. Change the font color in the first column. Click the first color. So here we will click here on the chart. This is chart title element, and here first we will remove the legend. So the legends have been removed. Next it is saying add data labels formatted that category name and percentage displayed and position in center. So here in chart element I will select data labels, and I will select more option, and here I will select category name. Values we don't need, we need percentage, and label position should be center. Next I am just going to close it. So this is done. Next it is saying it should be font style of bold and italic. So here I will select bold and italic, both have been done. Next it is saying font size of 12. So font size is 9, we will change it to 12. And next at the end it is saying font color in first column, first color. So this is on the home tab, in the font, this is font color, first column and first color. It is white background font. So this is done. So I have completed step number 6, and the weightage of step number 6 is 9 marks. Next we will move to step number 7, but before starting step number 7, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In step number 6, in step number 7, it is saying format the data series using 3D format effect. Change the top and bottom bevel to under bevel in first row. Apply the first effect. Set the top and bottom bevel widths to 100. So here I am just going to select it, just double click on it, and then I will go to this effects. I will just deselect it and make sure that these points are displayed all over the chart. So this is the whole chart is selected. Next, here I will go to effect, 3D format, top bevel. I will select first bevel, and here I will select width should be 100 points, and also the height should be 100 points, and bottom bevel we will select first effect, and also its width should be 100 and height should be 100. So this is done. So I have completed step number 7 for you. Next we will move to step number 8, but before starting step number 8, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In step number 8, it is saying displays the series option, and then we set the angle of first slice to 1/24, and then so that the salaries and benefits slice is in the front of the pie. Select the salaries and benefits slides and explode the slice to 10%. So here I will select it, and here is the option of series option, angle of first slice, and we will make it to 125, as it is saying salaries and benefits in the start. And next it is saying select the benefits and salaries and explode it by 10. So here we will 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have completed step number 8. Step number 8 is worth of 4 marks. Next we will move to step number 9, but before starting step number 9, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying format the chart area by applying a gradient fill using percent gradient in the second column, first gradient. Format the borders of the chart by adding a solid line border in the last column, first color, and change width to 3. So here I will select chart area. Make sure when you select here the chart area should be selected, and here we will select for fill and line, fill, gradient, and here we will select second column, first color. So this is done. Next it is saying line. So here fill and fill here. So here the border, and border should be solid line, and last column first color, this one, and next its width should be 3. So we will increase its width to 3. As you can see, the width is 3 now. It is bold now, and also its width has been increased. Next we will move to step number 10, but before starting step number 10, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying display the page setup dialog box, and then for this chart insert a custom footer in the left section with following. So here we will go to page layout, and here is the option of page setup, header and footer. We will select custom footer, and in the left section here is the option of insert file name. We will click OK and OK. Now this step number 10 has been also been done. So here this assignment is consist of 19 points. I have completed first 10 steps for you. If you want me to do rest of this assignment or this complete course at a reasonable price, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.